Here I have Samsung Galaxy S4, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the more section and to the storage, scroll down to the bottom and select the last option, format SD card, and then confirm it by tapping format SD card, then confirm saved pattern, erase everything, yeah, of course, and after that your card will be formatted and ready, prepared for to be used in you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.